So after 2 holiday days for Easter, today the scaffolding was done. So the boat is now entirely surrounded, so that they can work on the boat, paint the whole boat. So this was a 4-man whole day job they've done. As you can hear, and sorry for the sound, but it's only spontaneous video without big gear. As you can hear, the wind is blowing again. We have actually April, 6th of April I think, here in Croatia. And yeah, the weather is not that good. It's raining, it's very windy, and the wind is blowing, I think, with 30 to 35 knots already.